Netflix recently delivered brand new and fresh anime content for the anime lovers out there. It's the first series that took place in the Philippines. Not only that, but it also shows the country's folklore. Unique and exciting, isn't it? Well, if you are truly anime lovers, you probably would have guessed it by now. Yes, that's right, I'm talking about Trece, which is influenced by award-winning Filipino comic series of the same name written and illustrated by Budjat Tan and Kejo Baldisimo. So if you have watched and liked the first season, then you might have been wondering that if Trece season 2 is going to happen or not. Don't worry, we are your savior. We will tell you everything in this video related to Trece season 2. So keep watching the video. This is a dark fantasy crime and horror adult animation first released on June 10, 2021 on Netflix in the US. The series got a worldwide release on its next day on June 11. The first season featured 6 episodes with the duration of 25 to 33 minutes each episode, covering storylines of the initial 3 volumes of the comic. It received great reviews from the fans and rated with 7.8 out of 10 on IMDb, and that's why they are looking forward to seeing the second season. As of recently, there is no announcement made concerning the release date of the second season by Netflix or the production company. Given the response and the popularity that the series got, it's highly likely that Netflix will definitely show a green flag to the second season of Trece. Also, there is plenty of content material from the comic book left to provide to the second season. Therefore, if the restoration happens in the future, which definitely will, then we can anticipate to get the release of the second season anytime in the year 2022. The primary season of the Trece is directed by Jay Olivia along with Tim Devar, David Hartman, Maz Ware, and produced by Base Entertainment. Lex and Otis and Tiger Animation served as the animators of the series. The show was released worldwide in 3 languages: Japanese, English, and Philippine. The supernatural series revolves around the main character named Alexandra Trece, a woman who works as a private investigator and detective, specializes in crimes executed by powerful supernatural beings of the underworld. The character of Alexandra was voiced by Liza Soberano in Filipino and Shay Michelle in English. Then comes another main character like Captain Guerrero, voiced by Apollo Abraham in Filipino, Matt Yanking in English. The Campbell, Crispin and Basilio, the twins who fill in as Alexandra's protectors and together known as the Campbell, voiced by Simon Dela Cruz in Filipino and Griffin Puerto in English. Anton Trece, who plays Alexandra's father, voiced by Eugene Adelia in Filipino and Carlos Alazraqui in English. Hank, voiced by Christopher Carlo Calling in Filipino and John Bryans in English. Till now, we have no confirmed characters and voice cast who will be appearing in the next season, but there is a great chance that the same format as the first season will be going to continue further in the coming season. And the same goes with the main characters and their voice cast to reprise their roles in the restoration. But other than existing characters, some new and fresh characters can also appear in the second season, like Alexandra's brother. The story of Trece contains Philippine horror folklore with dark, realistic narrating and follows Alexandra Trece, a secretive investigator who manages crimes of supernatural source mainly happening in the capital district of the Philippines. Due to her specialization in the supernatural, Alexandra is frequently considered when the police can't deal with paranormal violations by Captain Guerrero, a man who likes to incline toward her insight and specific abilities. Alexandra is supported by 2 mysterious and otherworldly creatures with questionable forces and powers known as the Campbell, and together they shield the roads of Manila from different creatures of Filipino legions. In behind the scene cut delivered by Netflix, Michelle cautions the viewers it's certainly going to have a lot of exciting bands in the road, so don't think you understand what's coming since you don't. So, given the statement indicating that we can't speculate anything yet, but again to roughly take a guess, then I think the plot of the second season is that the story will probably continue from where the last episode ended. Makers will likely turn the content after those three initial volumes of the comic book in the storyline of the season's renewal. And that's a wrap. If we receive any fresh announcement or news regarding the Tracy season 2, we will let you know right away. Up till then, let's patiently wait and enjoy the debut session. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.